Hi, Kazu. Konnichiwa.
G'day, Paul. How are you, mate?
I'm very good, bro. How are you?
That's good. I'm great. I'm great.
Yeah, awesome. Tell me, how did it come about? How did you start the Ambassador program?
You know, so obviously the lamb, the sheep meat, is not popular protein in Japan. So we wanted to do something more creative, try to showcase how great lamb it is.
I think we have a very similar roadblock in a sense where lamb also in Singapore is not the most favored protein. Hey friends, we've had some good times. Cooking lamb with my wonderful mother. And then getting absolutely stuffed with some of Singapore's best chefs and their go-to lamb dishes. That's Lamb-Tastic. But I'm back. And this time, I'm going on a journey to see just how lamb reaches our plates and the people who make it all work. This is Lamb Me Your Recipe, a journey. This journey all started in early 2020 when Meat and Livestock Australia approached me with an idea to be their ambassador for Australian lamb. Yes, I know it sounds strange, but it also got my attention. So here I am, Paul Foster, Lamb-Ambassador of Singapore, lover of all things Australian lamb. See, it kind of works, right? But I also wanted to find out how this all started with MLA. So that's why I'm meeting their regional marketing executive, Benjamin Lay. Yes. Oh, Ben! Perfect timing.
Yeah.
And look, I've got a nice setup for us today.
Awesome.
And of course, the
star of the show.
The lamb chops.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm very excited about this one. But before we get into everything, for everyone at home, what exactly does Meat and Livestock Australia do?
So MLA is a not-for-profit organization. So what we do is we provide marketing, research and development service for beef, lamb and goat producers in Australia, while helping exporters to get their product into the market.
Well, that's the perfect segue to my next question, bro. I want to know, what's the process of Australian lamb meat being imported into Singapore?
So the process is very simple. So from the farm to the Singapore shores generally takes about 24 to 48 hours. Because of the geographical location, regardless it's air freight or sea freight, I guarantee you have the freshest lamb meat when it comes to Singapore shore.
Why Australian lamb?
If to ask why, there is a lot of reasons in there.
Yeah.
But I think one of the unique thing about Australian lamb is the provenance. Imagine the lamb being raised on natural pasture, the clean, green, pristine kind of environment. So we also have a long-standing history of producing safe, quality lamb meat for consumers around the world.
I can attest to that, my friend, because I've eaten a lot of your lamb, which is absolutely fantastic. So, I know that your favorite dish from the first series with Mom was the Sambal Lamb Chop.
Yep.
And that's what we're going to do today.
Let's put it. Love it.
I need some oil from mine.
Okay. Right. I'll just sizzle the lamb first.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I think also what we want to do is try to get the side first so that
Okay.
the fat can render.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we want to get. And while you're doing the lamb, bro, I'll do the sauce.
yes.
Hopefully we do this justice, or else my mom will not be very happy.
Yes. I'll get into trouble. Yeah.
That looks good. You might be able to cut the heat off, and we might have to get those off and let that rest.
Okay.
So that we're not cooking it too well done.
Sure.
And that's just great because that's browned all the way through. We let it rest for maybe 5, 7 minutes.
Yep.
And the sauce should hopefully be done by then. There's only
My
one more
favorite.
thing to do.
Eat.
Yeah. Go for it, bro. Lucky draw.
All right.
Okay, go
Cheers.
for it. Cheers, brother. Dip it
Let's
in.
dip it in.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Right. Oh gosh. Look at that.
Wow. Go for it.
Go for it. Oh my gosh.
That always goes so well together. Sweet, sour, spicy with the lamb. Ah, it's wonderful. And as always, thank you so much, Ben. We catch up every now and then.
Yep.
Send me some more lamb chops. I'll send you
Sure.
some sambal and
Yep, we will do a butter trade.
deal. Thank you very much,
Thank
brother.
you very much.
Wow. So there you have it. MLA is setting the bar and ensuring the highest quality Australian lamb is available for us in Singapore. But then the question remains on how do we get the best lamb for ourselves? Next up, I continue my journey as I kick it with a local butcher who shows me the ropes. Give you a chance to also reset lah. So do you cook a lot of lamb?
Yep.
Silly question, right? Yeah. do you cook a lot of meat from Australia?
Definitely. 100% Australia.
Okay.
All meat from my fridge. Anything other than work, I can. I think very natural.
Where is this Ben when we're doing this now?
I think you cannot.
This is the yeah. This is what we need